And it is very much an old company focused here mindset, I think, on the Yahoo Finance platform. Some of the top tickers for us: General Motors, Coca-Cola, General Electric, UPS, 3M. Investors just hurting for, I think, just on the hunt for some form of stability in a continued volatile economic backdrop and a volatile stock market here right now. And we're coming up against that opening bell on Wall Street on a big earnings day. Here's that bell. There you have that opening bell on Wall Street. You see former Speaker Paul Ryan ringing that opening bell. We're going to be talking to him at about 11:20. Running point, Paul Ryan on a new SPAC. So, Brad, we have not seen a SPAC in a while. That whole process has really fallen by the wayside as rates have gone up. But there's Paul Ryan attaching his name to a SPAC.
What a time for a SPAC, huh?
Yeah.
All right. We're going to take a look at the major averages here out of the gate this morning. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, I'll put this out into a two-day view to really let you know the context of where we're coming in from yesterday and where we're sitting right now at the top there. So right now, out the gate, we are down by about 0.1%, just a little bit more than that over the past 2 days, still net positive. So we'll keep an eye on that to see where some of that balancing action takes place. The Nasdaq, though, out of the gate, that is up by about 0.5% right now, adding on to yesterday's gains here, even though we did see a bit of a dip early morning yesterday during that 10 a.m. hour into the 11 a.m. hour. Here today, you're actually seeing right now at the opening cross up by about 0.5% there. S&P 500, that's also in positive territory, adding on to yesterday's gains here just a little bit. So we are up by about 0.2% there. Want to take a look at some of the sector activity as well for you, as we always do, and pulling up the S&P 500, 11 sectors there. You've got more advancers than decliners right now. It looks like real estate is the leader right now at the top of the hour, at least, or at the top of the trading session. Real estate up by about 0.9% there, but energy is lagging here on the day. That's down by about 0.6%. Looking through some of the other sectors, it's interesting to see some of the communication services also leading the charge here this morning, up 0.8%. And then additionally there, you've got consumer discretionary and technology in positive territory. So we'll watch that. Overall, the S&P 500 is up. And then just quickly, a brief look at the tech-heavy Nasdaq. It looks like broadly we've got far more advancers and then decliners here right now. We'll give you a kind of equal look at that. And that's a lot of green that we're seeing on the screen out the gate this morning.
Yeah, good to see more stocks up than down, Brad.